Welcome to 69 East Shore Drive. Live on the sunset side of the lake in this must-see lakefront log home with over 100 feet of frontage on pristine 250-plus acre Paupackan Lake. Enjoy a spacious kitchen with stainless steel appliances. This saltbox has 2 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, and an open floor plan with 2 living room areas, one with a cozy stone propane fireplace insert. Both front and rear porches are great spots for entertaining guests. Walk out of the basement to a new stone patio overlooking the lake. A wide stone trail brings you to the water's edge where you can launch your kayaks from the brand new dock. Don't forget the massive 590 square foot detached 2-car garage for all your toys, which includes a spacious entertaining area on the 2nd floor with views of the lake. Community amenities include a beach area, hiking trails, a large pavilion, road maintenance, security, playgrounds, sports fields, and more. Paupackan Lake is a clean body of water that is great for swimming, electric power boating, canoeing, kayaking, and of course, fishing. Conveniently located within minutes of Interstate 84 and close to the town of Hawley for all your shopping and fine dining needs. Make the call today to schedule an appointment to see this beautiful lakefront property.